Hi guys, so this is Teacher Left. I'm going to discuss to you now about solving multi-step grouping and then grouping word problem involving multiplication and addition or subtraction. So let us know what are the steps in solving word problem. The first step is to understand. Under this step is the question, what is asked in the problem, and what are the given facts. Next we have plan. What is or are the operations to be used, and what is the number sentence. Next is solve. So use the operation to solve. Next, check and look back or check your answer. You can use illustration to check your answer. So let us have example. Read and analyze the problem. Mang Tony harvested 12,500 ears of corn from each of the 12 plots of his farm, while Mang Ambo harvested 8,540 ears of corn from each of the 18 plots of his farm. Who harvested more ears of corn? So the first step is to understand. So under this, we have the questions, what is asked in the problem, and that is the farmer who harvested more ears of corn. The next question is what are the given facts? So we have 12,500 ears of corn, each from the 12 plots, 8,540 ears of corn from each of the 18 plots. The next step is to plan. So under this is the operations to be used. So to know how many corn did Mang Tony and Mang Ambo harvested, we have to multiply the number of ears and the number of plots that they have. And also, we have to subtract to know who among of the two harvested more. Next is the number sentence. So we have 12,500 times 12 equals n for Mang Tony, 8,540 times 18 for Mang Ambo. So the next step is to solve 12,500 times 12. So we have to multiply all the digits of the multiplier to all the digits of the multiplicand. So we have 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5 is 10, so group 0 and then carry 1. So 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 times 1 equals 2. Next, second digit, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. The next step is to add the partial product. So we have bring down 3 zeros, and then 5 plus 5 is 10, group 0 and carry 1. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 equals 5, and then bring down 1. So 150,000 ears of corn Mang Tony's harvest. Next is how many ears of corn did Mang Ambo harvested? So that is 8,540 times 18. So 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 4, 32. So group 2 and regroup 3. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 3 is 43. Carry 4. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 4 is 60. Next, 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 8 is 8. Next, add the partial product. Bring down 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 5 is 13. So that is carry 1. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 1 equals 15. So, 153,720, that's Mang Ambo's harvested ears of corn. The next step is to check and look back. See if your answers makes sense. So we have 153,720 is bigger than 150,000. And that means Mang Ambo harvested more ears of corn than Mang Tony. Let us try another problem. Read and analyze the problem. We have Jervin and his 4 friends visited the museum. In the entrance, ticket cost 56 pesos. How much is the change if he gave 500 pesos? So, the first step is to understand what is asked in the problem. So, that is the change for 500 pesos. Next, what are the given tax? We have 4 friends, 56 pesos for the cost of tickets, and 500 pesos. The next step is to plan. So this problem will be having 2 or more operations. So that means meron tayong hidden question. So what is the hidden question for this problem? That is the total cost of the tickets. That question will be answered first before you answer the question how much change if he gave 500 pesos. Next is the operations. So the operation for the total cost of ticket is multiplication. And to answer the question how much is change, that is subtraction. Next is the number sentence. So for the number sentence, we have 500 pesos minus, open and close parentheses, 4 times 56 pesos equals n. So the next step is to solve. So we have to multiply the cost of ticket to the number of friends. So 56 pesos times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 6 is 24. So do 4 and then carry 2. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 equals 22. So 224 pesos is the total cost of tickets. Next, to know how much change if he gave 500 pesos, 224 subtracted from 500 pesos. So, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 4 cannot be, so we have to borrow. So that will become 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, and that 5 will become 4. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. So 376 pesos is the change from 500 pesos.